Imagine landing in another country, opening Netflix, and realizing your favorite show is missing. No Supernatural, no The Office, just blocked content. But what if I told you there's a simple way to bring the entire Netflix USA library with you, no matter where you are in the world? Before we get started, don't forget to check the links in the description. I've listed the best current deal for PrivadoVPN. It applies the biggest discount automatically, so don't miss it. Let's get right into it. If you've ever traveled abroad and tried to open Netflix, you already know the pain. Shows and movies you normally watch just vanish from the catalog. That's because Netflix restricts content by region. But there's a way to break through these geo-blocks effortlessly. And PrivadoVPN makes it possible. PrivadoVPN is a secure and reliable VPN that lets you stream US Netflix from anywhere in the world by masking your IP address and assigning you a new one located inside the United States. That way, Netflix thinks you're still in the country, even if you're miles away. So, why choose PrivadoVPN in 2025? For starters, it's based in Switzerland, one of the world's most privacy-friendly countries. This means it's legally protected by some of the strictest data privacy laws on the planet. And it backs that up with AS256 encryption, secure protocols like WireGuard and OpenVPN, and a verified no-logs policy. Your data stays private, always. Now, let's talk about streaming performance. PrivadoVPN has consistently proven itself in this area. Using the WireGuard protocol, we experienced a 92% speed retention rate, more than enough for smooth, uninterrupted HD and 4K streaming. We tested multiple servers, including Chicago and New York, and all successfully unblocked the Netflix US library. Playback started in seconds, and we didn't run into buffering or lag. And here's the kicker. Even the free version of PrivadoVPN can unblock Netflix US. You get 10 gigabytes of data per month and access to 13 high-performing servers, including locations in the US. This is more than enough for occasional streaming or to test the service before committing to a paid plan. But if you're serious about streaming, upgrading unlocks unlimited bandwidth and full access to hundreds of servers in 50 countries. The app is available for all major platforms: Windows, macOS, Android, iOS, Fire TV, and even Linux. You can protect up to 10 devices simultaneously. So whether you're using a laptop, smart TV, or mobile phone, PrivadoVPN has you covered. Another standout feature is Smart Route, PrivadoVPN's version of split tunneling. This lets you control which apps go through the VPN tunnel. For example, you can route only Netflix traffic through a US server, while the rest of your apps stay on your regular internet. It's a flexible feature that adds to the overall ease of use. And yes, PrivadoVPN has a kill switch, essential for protecting your identity if the VPN connection drops unexpectedly. We tested this multiple times, and the kill switch instantly cut internet access when the VPN disconnected, ensuring no data leaks occurred. Combined with built-in NAS and WebRTC leak protection, this makes for a highly secure streaming experience. Aside from Netflix, PrivadoVPN also works with other major platforms. During our tests, we were able to stream Disney+, Hulu, HBO Max, BBC iPlayer, and Amazon Prime Video, all without any significant issues. Even on the free plan, it managed to unblock several services, although the 10 gigabyte limit does make extended viewing sessions impractical. Now, let's talk about speed. While PrivadoVPN isn't the fastest VPN in the industry, it holds up incredibly well in real-world use. On nearby servers like Germany or the UK, speeds remain close to 95% of our baseline. On more distant servers like Australia or Japan, we saw around 15 to 25% speed drops, which is completely normal and still good enough for streaming and browsing. Upload speeds were a bit lower on faraway servers, but download performance stayed consistent. Torrenting is also supported. Unlike most free VPNs, PrivadoVPN allows P2P traffic on all accounts. It even offers a SOCKS 5 proxy on paid plans for faster downloads. While the proxy doesn't encrypt your data, it does mask your IP, which can be useful for speed boosts. And yes, PrivadoVPN works smoothly with popular clients like uTorrent and QBitTorrent. On the privacy side, PrivadoVPN only collects minimal data, your email and payment method. And you can even pay with cryptocurrency for extra anonymity. Their infrastructure is also being upgraded to RAM-only servers, meaning no data can ever be stored long-term. The user interface is intuitive and beginner-friendly. Whether you're using the desktop or mobile app, everything from selecting a server to switching protocols or enabling the kill switch is just a click away. The only downside we noticed is that the Windows app window can't be resized, and connecting to some servers takes a little longer than with top-tier providers. Still, for the price, it's hard to beat. PrivadoVPN currently offers one of the best deals on the market, just $1.11 per month for the 2-year plan. And that includes 3 free months. That's 90% off the regular price, and you still get all the premium features, including 10 simultaneous connections, full streaming support, and solid security. Plus, there's a 30-day money-back guarantee if you change your mind. So, let's recap. PrivadoVPN lets you unlock Netflix USA in seconds. It's secure, privacy-focused, beginner-friendly, and incredibly affordable. Whether you're traveling, living abroad, or just want more streaming freedom, it's a no-brainer in 2025. If you want to unlock Netflix US and stream without restrictions, now's the time. PrivadoVPN is offering up to 90% off, just $1.11 per month, plus 3 free months. Use the link in the description to activate the deal and start watching your favorite shows no matter where you are. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more VPN tips and streaming hacks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.